Welcome to the Basics Hub. In today's fast-paced world, having a diverse skill set can make a significant difference in your personal and professional life. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or just someone looking to improve yourself, there are essential skills that everyone should learn. Today, we're sharing 10 valuable life skills that can benefit you in various aspects of life. Let's dive in. Segment 1. Communication skills. First on our list is communication skills. Being able to express your thoughts clearly and effectively is crucial in every area of life, be it personal relationships or professional settings. To improve your communication skills, practice active listening, truly pay attention to what others are saying, and work on articulating your thoughts clearly. Consider joining public speaking groups like Toastmasters to gain confidence. Segment 2. Financial literacy. Next up is financial literacy. Understanding how to manage your money is essential for achieving financial stability and independence. Learn how to create a budget, save for emergencies, and understand basic investing principles. There are plenty of resources available online to help you get started. Segment 3. Cooking skills. Third on the list is cooking skills. Knowing how to prepare meals not only promotes healthier eating but also saves money compared to dining out. Start with basic techniques like chopping, boiling, and sautéing. As you gain confidence, experiment with new recipes and cuisines. Segment 4. Problem-solving skills. Our fourth skill is problem-solving. The ability to analyze situations and come up with effective solutions is invaluable in both personal and professional contexts. To enhance your problem-solving skills, practice breaking down complex issues into smaller parts and brainstorming multiple solutions before deciding on the best course of action. Segment 5. Time management. Fifth on our list is time management. Effectively managing your time can lead to increased productivity and reduced stress. Use tools like planners or digital calendars to prioritize tasks and set deadlines. The Pomodoro technique, working in focused bursts followed by short breaks, can also help maximize efficiency. Segment 6. Critical thinking. Next is critical thinking, the ability to analyze information objectively and make reasoned judgments. To develop critical thinking skills, practice questioning assumptions and evaluating evidence before forming conclusions. Engage in discussions that challenge your viewpoints. Segment 7. Digital literacy. Seventh on our list is digital literacy. In our tech-driven world, understanding how to navigate digital tools is essential for success. Familiarize yourself with essential software applications like word processors and spreadsheets, as well as online research techniques to find credible information. Segment 8. Networking skills. Eighth on the list is networking skills. Building professional relationships can open doors for job opportunities and collaborations. Attend industry events or use platforms like LinkedIn to connect with professionals in your field. Remember to follow up after meeting someone new. This helps solidify the connection. Segment 9. Adaptability. Next skill is adaptability, the ability to adjust to new situations and challenges effectively. To enhance your adaptability, embrace new experiences and be open to learning new skills as needed. The more flexible you are, the better equipped you'll be to handle life's surprises. Segment 10. Emotional intelligence. Our final skill is emotional intelligence, often abbreviated as EQ. This refers to the ability to recognize, understand, and manage our own emotions, while also being aware of the emotions of others. Having a high EQ can lead to better relationships, improved communication, and more effective conflict resolution. It's crucial for both personal and professional success. To develop your emotional intelligence, practice self-awareness by reflecting on your emotions and how they affect your behavior. Work on active listening, truly understanding what others are saying, and practice empathy by trying to see things from their perspective. Today, we've explored 11 essential skills that everyone should learn: communication, financial literacy, cooking, problem-solving, time management, critical thinking, digital literacy, networking, adaptability, emotional intelligence, and how each one can benefit you in different aspects of life. Remember that learning these skills takes time and practice. Start with one or two that resonate with you most and gradually build your skill set. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Basics Hub for more valuable content. What essential skills do you think everyone should learn? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Here's to lifelong learning and personal growth. Let's make the most out of every opportunity.